Okay, let's just go through the first one, make sure we're all okay with this, and obviously there's 2 more questions still to have a go at. Okay, so if you're not sure what to do, please watch, okay? What I have given you are 2 tables here. Yeah, what I've given you here is 2 tables. So this one and this one. This table corresponds to sandwich versus day, so how many sandwiches were sold per day. And this one corresponds to sandwiches versus cost, okay? So how much each type of sandwich cost. So these are just 2 tables. These are 2 tables. By the way, if you're wondering why are we doing this, we are starting a new topic. This new topic is called matrices. Okay, now matrices is the plural, so in other words more than one. The singular is a matrix. Who in here has looked at matrices before, or a matrix before? Yeah, a few people have. Okay, so could anybody describe to me what is a matrix? Well, I've got 2 matrices on the board here. Okay, this one and this one. A matrix is simply just a table of numbers. Okay, it's simply just a table of numbers. In fact, all of the matrices that I have given you on this sheet are just table of numbers, so they are matrices. Okay, so all these tables on here are matrices. So I don't want you to kind of run a mile when I say the word matrix or matrices. I just want you to think, I know what that is. It's just a table of numbers. Okay? So I have got 2 matrices here, 2 tables of numbers here, and I've just put these tables of numbers in context. So I've given them a situation, given them a meaning. Now what I have been asking you to calculate is to tell me how much money was taken per day. So I want you to create a table that looks like this. So on this row, I want you to have the day, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Okay? And in the column, I want you to have the cost, the amount of money taken per day. So what should we call that? Should we call that profit? That seem reasonable? Okay. Okay, so this is profit against day. Okay. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's have a think about this. We know that there was 1 pickle sandwich sold on Monday, 2 falafel sandwiches sold on Monday, and 5 cheese sandwiches sold on Monday. And we also know the relative costs of each of those. So let's presume these costs are in pounds. So pickle cost £3, falafel cost 4, and cheese cost 2. So if I want to work out the total amount of money that I took on Monday, how would I do that?
You need to multiply each sandwich with the cost.
Absolutely.
And then add
yeah, exactly, and add them all together. So I'm literally saying there's 1 pickle sandwich sold on Monday. 1 pickle sandwich costs £3. So it's going to be 1 times 3. Yep. Yeah, in fact, I'm going to write it off to the side slightly. So 1 times 3, that's the pickle sandwich taken care of. But I also know that there were 2 falafel sandwiches sold on Monday. 2 falafel sandwiches cost £4, so there'll be also 8 added on. In fact, let me write the working down so that you can see. Okay. And then as well as that, there were 5 cheese sandwiches, each costing £2. Okay. So in total, the amount of money that I took on Monday was 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 plus 5 times 2. Yes. So £21 was taken on Monday. Is that okay? Okay, now just to speed things up a little bit, the next one, would you be happy, for Tuesday, would just be 6 multiplied by 3, add 5 multiplied by 4, add 10 multiplied by 2. Okay? Which comes out as, somebody calculated this, 58. Okay, fine. And Wednesday, how do we calculate this? So same way, so it would be 0 times by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2. What does this come out as? 22. And Thursday will be 7 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2, which is 53. And Friday will be 8 multiplied by 3 plus 0 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2, which is 26. Okay? Are you happy with that? You happy with that process? Now what I've done here is I've taken this row, if you like, so each row in this table, and I've multiplied the corresponding elements. So an element is just a number in this table, okay? with the corresponding elements in this column here, okay? So I've taken first element here, multiplied it with the first element here, then I've added that to the second element here with the second element here, then I've added that to the third element here, multiplied by the third element here, added them all together, that is my result, okay?